This question, I think it's just good to write down an amount that each person has, but have a starting point. Let me write their names down. Sky, Isha, and Anna. So Sky has half as many pens as Isha. So I'm just going to say that Sky has X pens rather than Isha having X pens, because then Sky would have a half X. So just let's try and use integers where we can. So if Sky has X and has half as many pens as Isha, then Isha will have 2X. Then Anna has twice as many pens as Sky. That's actually saying the same thing. Anna will also have 2x. So what fraction of all of their pens does Sky have? Well, Sky has x, the total is going to be 5x. So it's x over 5x, and we can cancel it down to 1/5. If you're less happy with the algebra, then of course you could just use a number. You could say that Sky has just one pen, for example, and then Isha will have two and Anna will have two, and then the 1/5 comes out as well. But it's quite nice to work generally, and it kind of gets you using algebra and becoming accustomed to it, why it's powerful. It doesn't actually matter how many pens Sky has. In fact, if we follow these rules, then they necessarily have 1/5.